Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on BLACKVIEW Tab 13. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. And now you can click open. And here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click sign in later. Now you can set up your data sharing preference, and you have to click confirm. And here you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. And now it asks if you want to see notifications, or you can click no thanks. And now your Microsoft Edge is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.